If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform this plain shot glass into a very lovely, dainty, flower-filled, unique shot glass, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today in this video, I'm going to be adding some very pretty flower decorations to this little shot glass. And here are the flowers. I have rhinestones there as well. Here's the UV resin I'll be using. I thought I was going to use the rhinestones. I decided not to because I like the look of the flowers. So first you're going to start off by adding a little drop of UV resin. So I'm starting out small because once you start to add too many things, they'll start to slide. So you will also need a UV LED lamp. If you don't have one, you may want to grab one. They're on Amazon. They're very inexpensive. And you're just going to put it under here for a few seconds, just so you can just move it out the way, add more UV resin, put some more flowers on here, and you'll just keep going. This may look like it's a difficult thing to do, but it's very, very simple. And the reason why I like to use UV resin is because the way it sets on here and locks on and cures immediately, almost immediately after you add that lamp, it's like a no-brainer. It's definitely a game changer if you're a crafter or if you're short on time and you're trying to move through something quickly. Now, don't get me wrong. This will work wonderfully if you're using E6000. However, you may have some sliding issues. You may have to just do one side, let it dry for a little bit, then come back and do the other side. Let it wait for about 24 hours to like really cure, and that's fine. But this LED lamp is not very expensive. The particular one I have is $27. I had one that was $12. It broke and I bought one twice, the same exact cheap one, but this one I haven't had any issues with. Now, they also have like a little handheld LED lamp that cures UV resin, and it's more like a small flashlight. So if you don't want a whole full size one like this is the same one you use like if you get gel polish on your nails. It's like that. You can just use a little small handheld one, so look that up as well, and those are probably just as cheap as the actual lamp. Now I wanted to do something that was just very different and elegant and cute and just fun. It reminds me of springtime, and I got these flowers off Amazon. I don't know how many are in this bag. I like to say 100 because it's quite a few. There's many different colors, many different sizes, and I'm using a wax pickup tool. If you're not familiar with that, it's just simply like a stick that's wax, and you just push it on top of the rhinestones. It sticks to it, then you put it on top of the cup, the shot glass, or whatever it is that you're blinging out. It's very, very, very convenient. Now, another reason why I like to use this is because not only is it very strong to use and it locks on good, this particular UV resin does not have a harsh smell. It's not as harsh as E6000. You're welcome to use gloves, and if you do get some UV resin on your hands, just go ahead and wash it off, or keep you a little damp baby wipe or a paper towel with alcohol on it. So I'm just going to move through this and just keep adding maybe one or two. Pop that light on. Like, it's very simple. I'm just like plugging and playing, you know. Put your glue on, add one or two, keep moving. So when I added this particular flower, just pay attention to this one right here. This one was a decent size. I don't know why I didn't just push it closer to the other flowers. I kind of put it in a weird spot, like in a middle spot to where there was still space on each side. I assumed I would be able to fit flowers on each side of it. So I wasn't able to find a flower to fit on the side of it. I tried to work my way around. And let me just show you the issue that I ran into, which is good because I get to show you just how strong and how powerful this UV resin is. So I'm going to add 2 towards the bottom area, and those will be fine. But once I get to the right of it, it's going to be an issue. Okay, so I ran into a problem. I have a space right here that I cannot fit any of these flowers, and it is really about to annoy me because I don't want to put any gems on here. And maybe I can figure out how to shave one of these down. I was gonna try to pry these 2 off, but look at this. Look how, oh, I might, oh, okay, that one came off. Oh, wait. Oh my gosh. Look how on here. Well, maybe I can find one. No. It's still, I need one. I need to move this one. Oh, got it. Woo. Now you see, hands down, just how strong this stuff is. So now I have to put a, well, I wish I could shave that down. Let's see what size. That's perfect. That one fits perfect. But I don't know if I could fit one here. It'll be fine. This isn't 100% smooth, but it'll be fine. Let's go for it. Okay, so you see how I had to work that out. That was like the only issue I had ran into. Another thing, because it's various different sizes, and I kind of just did like a little scatter method because the sizes are just kind of all over the place, and I just kind of made them fit as I could as I went along. So once I looked at it after the fact, I was like, well, maybe I came up a little too high on the shot glass. I still like it, but I probably could have stopped, I want to say at 2 rows, but it wasn't really rows because they were just kind of clustered together. I still like it. So if you do something like this, you don't have to come up as high as I did. You can definitely add your own twist. And if you decide you want to add some rhinestones, definitely do that as well. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of this shot glass. I purchased this shot glass off of Amazon. I think it was like a case of 16, or maybe it was a case of 24 for $16. I don't know. And it's a 1.2 ounce, just in case you're wondering. But anyway, I love this. I love this. I've done quite a few shot glasses, and I want to say this one is my favorite. And there's not one bit of bling on here. It's just something about the daintiness and the feminineness of it all. I don't know. It's just so pretty. it's the pastels. It just gives like just soft girl era. I don't know. I love this. So again, you can get these rhinestones, you can get these flowers off Amazon. They're like little hard little resin pieces. And I'll have a link available if you would like to get the same exact ones. You can also add in some pearls and rhinestones with this as well if you want to. Definitely up to you. And if you know somebody who like collects shot glasses or just has like a really nice wide variety of shot glasses, like a nice little collection, this will be such a nice gift for them, or someone who just simply loves flowers. Super cute. Now on this shot, I was trying to put up a paper towel so you can like really see it better, just in case my fuchsia sequence backdrop is just a little too much and it's hard for you to like really get a good look at it. That's why I did this. But thanks you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Share it on Facebook. Subscribe if you want to. If you do, hit that notification bell so that you will be updated every time I upload a new video. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye. Check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers.